Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote support platform, which is ISL Online and BeyondTrust. So let's get started with a quick analysis. ISL Online continues to be a reliable, cost-effective remote support solution, particularly favored by small to mid-sized business and IT service provider. It offers features such as unattended access, section recording, file transfer, integration with IT service management platform like ServiceNow. ISL Online provide a deployment flexibility, an option for cloud on-premises, and a managed private cloud management together with catering for organization with a specific infrastructure need. So talking about BeyondTrust, on the other hand, is tailored for enterprise requiring a robust security and a comprehensive remote support features. The latest version emphasizes enhanced security, stability, and a performance. It offers advanced section management, privileged access control, and integration with IT management tools. Beyond is well suited for organizations needing a secure remote access or a crucial system and a compliance with a stringent security standard. And here's a better conclusion. So choose the ISL Online if you need a straightforward, flexible, and a cost-effective remote support solution suitable for small to mid-sized businesses, or opt in for BeyondTrust if your organization require advanced security features and a comprehensive remote support capabilities to meet a enterprise level demand. And that's it.